Hi, if you're watching this video, you probably have some questions about what to bring with you when you go to visit an attorney for the first time. I'm attorney Richard LaGarde. I've been practicing for over 30 years and I've represented thousands of individuals, small business owners, and even major corporations. And what I hope to share with you in this video is what helps me as an attorney help you. Now, I'm going to talk just for a few minutes about what you should bring with you if you're meeting with an attorney to talk about a personal injury case. And I'm also going to discuss what you should bring with you when you meet with an attorney for the first time on a business or commercial type of case. First, if you're meeting with an attorney about a personal injury case, here are some things you should bring with you that would be helpful to your attorney. Any accident reports you might have, any photographs of the accident scene, of your vehicle, let's say, if it's a car wreck case, any photographs of your injuries, very important to document your injuries, any police reports. You should also bring your medical records and medical bills with you. And here's why. Your attorney needs to know the name of each and every doctor that saw you and treated you, and the names of all the hospitals where you were seen. And the reason for that is the attorney has to order copies of your medical records and medical bills to provide to the other side, to the insurance company or to the attorney for the other side, to try to document your injuries and document your expenses. It's important also to keep a list of your out-of-pocket expenses and to bring proof of that with you when you meet with your attorney. For instance, if you had to pay a cash deductible, insurance deductible when you went to see the doctor, bring a copy of that deductible charge with you. If you had to pay parking for all of your doctors and hospital visits, bring copies of your parking tickets. All of those things would be helpful to the attorney in showing him what your damages are and what he or she needs to prove up in the way of damages for you. If your injuries are severe enough that you're missing time from work, it's important for you to bring some evidence of what your wages are so that your attorney knows what to ask for lost wages. For instance, pay stubs, prior tax returns, things of that sort would help your attorney in understanding the nature of your damages, how much you're losing from not being able to work, and what the attorney should be asking for. If your injuries are severe enough that you can't work around the house, you can't do mechanics work on your car, you can't paint your house, and you've had to go and find other people to do what you normally do, bring with you the bills showing what you've had to pay others in order to do the work you used to be able to do. I've also found that it's helpful for clients to bring with them either their spouse or a close friend who knows them and knows about their injuries. And I say that because oftentimes clients forget things. They forget how much pain they've been in. They forget maybe missed events. They missed out on a family vacation. They missed out on their daughter's wedding. And it's important that your spouse be there, or your significant other, or a close friend, to be able to tell the attorney just what an impact this injury has had on your life. It's particularly important that you bring a spouse or a friend with you for your first meeting to talk with the attorney about your injuries if you've had a blow to the head or sort of a head injury. And the reason I say that is oftentimes a person who's suffered a traumatic brain injury doesn't realize that their personality has changed, doesn't realize that they're more forgetful than they were before. And it's important to have a spouse there or a friend who can say, listen, he or she is not the same person they were before. Here's what I've seen since the accident. Here's how this injury has impacted on their lives. Now, if your case is not a personal injury case, but it's business related, well, here are some of the things that are helpful for you to bring with you to your first meeting with your attorney. If it's a contract case, bring a copy of the contract and any drafts you might have of that contract. Bring a copy of all of the correspondence back and forth with the other side, all of the emails back and forth with the other side. And here's why that's important to me as an attorney, is oftentimes in the negotiation of a contract, the parties will say in their correspondence what it is they think the contract means. And afterwards, after the contract has been breached, if they send emails to one another, you'll see what excuses they have for not performing their part of the contract and what you have said in response to those excuses. And that's all important for an attorney to see. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions that I haven't answered in the video, go to our website, readyforjustice.com, or give me a call at 1-866-LaGarde. Good luck.